Welcome to beautiful Balboa Island in Newport Beach, California. Here we are going over the Marine Avenue Bridge, which is the main entrance to the island, other than the ferry running between Balboa Island and Balboa Peninsula. The only other way on or off the island is with a boat. So come with me and I will show you around, but first, a little bit of history. Did you know that Balboa Island is really 3 islands and the 2 largest are divided by the Grand Canal, and Balboa Island is a man-made island and was once an underwater sandbar until it was dredged and filled into existence in 1904. You can learn a lot more about the island's history at the Balboa Island Museum. The entire community is surrounded by a seawall, which protects the islands from flooding and provides a picturesque 2.5-mile walking trail with views of the incredible homes and their gorgeous gardens, and a historic figure you might recognize, President Ronald Reagan. And you can't go to Balboa Island without having tried a frozen banana, because they are twice chocolate dipped and made to order. Not only are the bananas super delicious, but they cool you down on a hot day. As this was my first time having a frozen banana, I decided to get the everything banana, and it was absolutely delicious. Wow, that's actually really good. And I can't forget to mention Sugar and Spice, the original banana stand on the island, and it's just steps away. If you are like me and like a good cup of coffee, check out Huskin's on Marine Avenue. Their coffee is organic and their pastries are delicious. Just down Park Avenue is Succulent Coffee, our other favorite coffee shop on Balboa Island, and it's in the Todos Santos restaurant, and they have amazing Mexican food. Or if craft beer and cocktails or a nice glass of wine is your thing, the island's got you covered. And if you're like my family and travel with your furry friends, we are very happy to say that Balboa Island is very dog friendly. Balboa Island is a very patriotic community, and you will see a lot of American pride by the amount of flags flying everywhere. It was wonderful to see the strong community spirit while watching the 27th annual Balboa Island Parade. The bridge and Marine Avenue are shut down and everyone shows up to celebrate. Many residents travel around the island in golf carts, so we decided to take ours on the 5-minute ferry ride over to Balboa Peninsula to do a little bit of exploring. And props to the ferry drivers, because navigating through this busy waterway definitely takes some skill. But this family-owned ferry has been running for over 100 years, so I think they've got the hang of it. If you have kids or like amusement parks, the iconic Fun Zone is a great place to visit. And right next door is the historic Balboa Pavilion, where you can rent boats, book harbor cruises, or take a high-speed catamaran to beautiful Catalina Island. Thank you so much for watching, and if you go to Balboa Island, we hope you have a wonderful time. And if you liked our Balboa Island video, click here for our Bahamas video and here for our Maui video.